Hello, I'm Peter Lyngdorf. Thank you for coming for the showroom, for the presentation of the Lyngdorf audio products. We have the new CD player, new amplifier here, new loudspeakers with woofers and mid-high speakers, and that's what we're showing here today. Well, everything we do is designed by my company, and we have a number of new technologies in this that have been invented by my company. The amplification is a fully digital amplifier. It was invented by one of my friends in Denmark in 1996. And the technology is called Equibit. And I financed all the patents around the technology. And in 1999, we sold the patents to Texas Instruments in America. But I kept the right to use all the technology for products that I manufacture and design. So our engineers have access to this technology better than anybody else. And that's why we can make this fully digital amplifier in a way that nobody else in the whole world can do. So fully digital amplifier means that the amplifier is actually the D to A converter. It is not a typical amplifier. It is doing the digital to analog conversion straight into the loudspeakers. And volume control is actually controlling power supply. It is not a preamp built in. So that's a very unique technology in this product. Also, it has room perfect room correction technology, which is the world's first three-dimensional room compensation technology. It's built into the product. It comes with microphone, with the microphone stand, with all the things required to do room calibration. This room calibration also means that you have extra output to control separately the woofers and the mid-high speakers. So the crossover between woofer and mid-high speaker is done in this amplifier also, and time alignment also. So it's a complete system configuration. Then we make this tiny mid-high speaker and the woofers to match the amplifier perfectly. We have the CD player, CD2, which also has special technology. Most unique technology is it has intersample clipping compensation. If you buy modern CDs, pop CDs, all of them sound very, very loud. They are all compressed up to maximum. And about 60 to 70% of all CDs are actually clipping because they turn up the volume too loud when they make the recording, basically. Then when you play them back on even a very, very high quality digital to analog converter, you get a lot of clipping noise generated by the converter. And we avoid that. We have a special technology to avoid that in the CD2. So for typical audiophile recordings, the very, very pure audiophile recordings, that technology does not really make a difference. But for 70%, 60 to 70% of pop recordings, it makes a dramatic difference in reduction of distortion. So that's unique about the CD player. At Lyngdorf Audio, we try to make products that will not only work in a showroom, but will work in your home. So you can place the speakers conveniently. You don't need to put damping material on the walls and to use tube traps in the corners and all of that. Our products are always designed to work with your room in your home.
สวัสดีครับทางเซฟออดิโอเนี่ยวันนี้ก็มีความภูมิใจนะครับที่ได้มาเปิดตัวผลิตภัณฑ์สินค้าใหม่นะครับเป็นของ Lyngdorf ประเทศเดนมาร์กนะครับผลิตภัณฑ์ของ Lyngdorf เนี่ยก็ประกอบไปด้วยมี Integrate Amp นะครับแล้วก็ตัว CD หลักๆของเขาเลยก็คือเรื่องของการ Calibrate โดยใช้ Room Correction Mode นะครับแล้วที่สำคัญที่สุดก็คือมีตัว Pre-Processor ของตัว Lyngdorf ด้วยเหมือนกันนะครับซึ่งก็จะมาแมทชิ่งกับตัวของลำโพง M&K Sound นะครับก็สะดวกก็แวะเข้าชมได้ที่ร้านเซฟออดิโอนะครับขอบคุณครับ